Hey everybody, how's it going? This is a Midwest Fan Collector here with another fan video. Today I'll be showing you this Litex brass ceiling fan that Tori got, I believe, at Fanimation with an uplight on it. Typical fan you'd find in your grandma's house in the 80s and 90s. Which, honestly, I really like this fan. It's pretty cool. There's the uplight. There's that light. Alright, now we'll start off on low. Wobble, wobble, wobble. I know some people may disagree, but I think they need to bring back brass ceiling fans. I always thought they were pretty cool. Go to medium. Low speed's kind of slow. There's medium. Now we'll go to high. And for a hugger, this actually blows a decent amount of air. Turn it off. Seems like this thing's got a long coast down time. Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, more to come later. God bless.